Jet 24 Action News is your local election headquarters. Election Day is this coming Tuesday, and one Superior Court judge candidate wants you to vote for her. Judge Christylee Peck has served as judge of the Court of Common Pleas in Pennsylvania for nearly a decade. Peck says if she's elected to a new job, her main goal is to keep politics out of the courts.
What I want to make sure is that I'm looking for who's telling me the truth in court. That's what I do every day on the county bench, and that I make sure that I'm applying the law. And I'm really effectively a truth seeker as a judge. I make sure to figure out who's telling me the truth, and then, as I said, I apply the law.
For all your campaign news and much more heading up to Election Day, go to your local election headquarters online at yourerie.com.